Welcome to this video about the role of low-acid foods in promoting a healthy digestive system. Our digestive system plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being, and the foods we eat can have a significant impact on its function. In this video, we will explore the benefits of low-acid foods for promoting healthy digestion, as well as provide you with some helpful tips on incorporating these foods into your diet. We will also discuss some of the best low-acid foods for promoting digestive health, as well as cooking methods and lifestyle habits that can support healthy digestion. Whether you are looking to improve your digestive health or simply want to learn more about the role of low-acid foods in promoting wellness, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and explore the world of low-acid foods and their impact on digestive health. 1. High-acid foods can irritate the lining of the esophagus and stomach, leading to heartburn and acid reflux. On the other hand, low-acid foods are less likely to cause these issues and can promote a healthy digestive system. It's important to pay attention to your body's reactions to different foods and make choices that work for you. 2. Low-acid foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support digestive health. Fiber, in particular, plays a crucial role in promoting regular bowel movements and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support your digestive system and promote overall wellness. 3. Low-acid foods are often less inflammatory than high-acid foods, which can help reduce the risk of digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Inflammation in the digestive system can lead to discomfort and disrupt the normal function of the gut. By incorporating low-acid foods into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation and support a healthy digestive system. 4. Those are all great examples of low-acid foods that can promote digestive health. Bananas and melons are gentle on the stomach and can help soothe irritation. Oatmeal and brown rice are good sources of fiber and can help regulate bowel movements. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals that support digestion, while green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale contain fiber and other nutrients that support a healthy gut. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support your digestive health and overall wellness. 5. Fermented foods like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi are also great choices for promoting digestive health. These foods contain beneficial probiotics, which are live bacteria and yeasts that can help improve gut health. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, which can improve digestion and reduce the risk of digestive issues like diarrhea and constipation. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet can be a tasty way to support your digestive health and overall wellness. 6. It's important to note that some low-acid foods, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, and coffee, can still cause digestive issues for some people, so it's important to pay attention to your body's individual reactions to different foods. That's an important point to keep in mind. While low-acid foods are generally easier on the digestive system than high-acid foods, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different and may react differently to certain foods. For example, while citrus fruits, tomatoes, and coffee are generally considered acidic, some people may be able to tolerate them well while others may experience digestive issues. It's important to pay attention to your body's individual reactions to different foods and make choices that work for you. Working with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can also be helpful in identifying and managing any food sensitivities or digestive issues. 7. Cooking methods can also affect the acidity of foods. For example, roasting or grilling vegetables can make them more acidic, while boiling or steaming them can make them less acidic. It's important to consider how foods are prepared when choosing low-acid options for your diet. Steaming or boiling vegetables is a great way to preserve their nutrient content and make them easier on the digestive system. Grilling or roasting foods can be delicious and offer other health benefits, but it's important to balance these choices with other low-acid options to promote overall digestive health. 8. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is essential for promoting healthy digestion. Water helps keep the digestive system hydrated, which is important for moving waste through the body and preventing constipation. Dehydration can also lead to a range of digestive issues, including bloating, cramping, and discomfort. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and consider increasing your intake if you are very active or in hot weather. In addition to water, herbal teas and low-sugar electrolyte drinks can also be good choices for supporting hydration and digestive health. 9. Regular exercise is another important factor in promoting healthy digestion. Exercise can help improve circulation and increase blood flow to the digestive system, which can help promote regular bowel movements and reduce the risk of constipation. Exercise can also help reduce stress, which is important because stress can disrupt the normal functioning of the digestive system and lead to digestive issues. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. Engaging in physical activity that you enjoy, such as dancing or yoga, can also help reduce stress and promote overall well-being. 10. If you are experiencing digestive issues, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the best approach for managing your symptoms and improving your digestive health. Digestive issues can have a variety of causes, and working with a healthcare professional can help you identify the underlying cause of your symptoms and develop an effective treatment plan. In addition to dietary and lifestyle changes, your healthcare provider may recommend medications or other treatments to help manage your symptoms and improve your digestive health. It's important to seek medical attention if you are experiencing persistent or severe digestive symptoms, such as abdominal pain, diarrhea, or vomiting. With the right care and management, most digestive issues can be successfully treated, allowing you to enjoy better digestive health and overall well-being. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the role of low-acid foods in promoting a healthy digestive system. By incorporating these foods into your diet and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you can support your digestive health and overall well-being. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and work with a healthcare professional if you experience digestive issues. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.